Hello, my friends. We have a great show for you today. I'm going to review a product that the name sounds familiar to you, but maybe you have not had this in a sauce before. But I'm going to go ahead and give you an honest review of it. That's what we do here on this channel. I give you a review on the product. I rate it a 1 through 10 to let you know if I'd buy it again or not. That way, when you go to the store, you can think about buying it if you like. But you know, there's a good chance to get introduced to new products and introduce new things into your cooking, and this is a way to do it. Hey, let's get into it. Okay guys, we're gonna do a review. You've heard of it before, Old Bay seasoning. Well, they make a hot sauce. And I'm gonna give you a review on this today. And you know, they say this is for game day, brunch, and happy hour. You know, on here they have a picture of wings, you know, a Bloody Mary for a drink, and then also they show seafood on there. The size serving is 1 teaspoon, and it has 0 calories, there's 0 fat, 160 milligrams of sodium, 0 carbs, 0 proteins. There's 59 servings on this container, and it's a 10-ounce bottle. I ordered this off of Amazon because I didn't know if we'd have it in my local store here in Iowa. It was, I want to say it was $4 and something, and I noticed the other day I was in our grocery store and they actually had the Old Bay hot sauce. So I'm gonna give it a try on some tacos tonight, and then I'll give you a recap on what I think about it. But let's give it a try.
Okay guys, I decided to whip up some tacos here. I got some meat, lettuce, tomatoes on there, some cilantro, and some sour cream. Our Old Bay bottle, did you notice the top there? It's got the little plastic thing on, so only drips come out, which is a good thing, so you aren't dumping a whole bunch out at once. It's got good color, smells like Old Bay seasoning. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? That sauce looks pretty good on there. I have a feeling this is going to be pretty good.
Okay guys, just wanted to give you my recap on Old Bay hot sauce here. After doing a little bit of taste testing, I just kind of want to describe the flavor to you. If you've had Old Bay seasoning, you will very much like this hot sauce because it tastes a lot like the seasoning, except it is a taco sauce. As far as the taco sauce part of it, I would call it a low to medium heat. There's not a lot of, it's not so hot that you can't stand it type of thing. I would say it's a low to medium heat, if that gives you any idea. But to me, this would be very good in a Bloody Mary. It seems like it has kind of the same consistency, has a lot of spices in it. Just to kind of give you guys an idea, the ingredients on this says hot sauce, aged red cayenne pepper, distilled vinegar, water, salt, garlic powder, some more distilled vinegar, spices including celery seed, mustard seed, and salt, paprika. So that's kind of what's in it. I would say it's overall, if I was gonna rate this, I would rate it, I would say 7.5. I would probably buy it again. I might try a different sauce. Old Bay, I'm fairly new to that seasoning. I've had it on a few things, but not a lot. I'm here in the Midwest. I know on the East Coast, Old Bay is really popular. It's been around a long time. I'm just kind of new to it here in the Midwest, I guess. But I would definitely try this again on some other products. On the taco is really good, nice flavoring. Definitely would try it on some seafood and probably some chicken as well. So like I said, overall, I give this a 7.5. You know, I could see a lot of people liking this and giving it an 8 and 9, especially if they're used to Old Bay. Like I said, if you like Old Bay, you will love this hot sauce. Hey, I appreciate you watching the channel today and the show. And if you like the content, please give me a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And also subscribe to this channel. It's fairly new. I want to get it going. I want to bring you guys more products and reviews, and hopefully give you guys some ideas and inspire you to in your cooking on whatever you're making. So please do that. It'd be greatly appreciated. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless you, my friends. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.